Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to use Upwork for lead generation. So make sure to stick around till the very end to discover the steps you should take to maximize your opportunities and successfully generate leads using Upwork. To create an account on Upwork, start by opening its official website. From the homepage, click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Then, you will be asked to choose whether you want to join as a client or a freelancer. After selecting your preferred option, click on Apply. Next, you need to select an option for account creation. For this tutorial, we will be using a Google account. Select the option to sign up with Google, then add your first and last name and select your country. Make sure to mark these checkboxes to agree to the terms and privacy policy. Finally, click on Create My Account and your account will be created successfully. Next, you need to complete these steps to grab opportunities, so click on the Get Started button to go next. Now, select if you have freelanced before. Next, you will be asked about your goal. After that, add how you would like to work. You can either find clients by yourself or you can pay Upwork to find you clients. After that, add your information by choosing any option from these. Once you have successfully created your profile for lead generation, it is time to explore jobs. Just make sure your profile is professional and has complete details. Now click on your profile. Here, you will need to add details about your profile. Make sure to add all the skills related to lead generation. Also add details like your available time, prices, portfolios, skills, and your project catalog. You can also add experiences and employment history. Once you are satisfied with your profile, click on the Find Job option given in your top left corner. You can put filters of best matches, most recent, and saved jobs. Just go ahead and explore different jobs related to lead generation. You will get to see complete details about each job. By clicking on your selected job, you will be able to see details about the client, including ratings, place, job link, and prices. It also tells you complete details about responsibilities and requirements. Now, if you are interested in apply, click on the Apply Now button given on top. It will take you to this page. Each proposal needs a specific number of connects to apply. Make sure you have enough connections to apply for the job. Scroll down and choose the terms to apply for the job. You can even bid on rates the client is offering. Also, choose Schedule a Rate Increase if needed. Select its percentage and continue. Next, you need to add a cover letter. Make sure to create a good one to impress the clients because this is going to be your first impression. Once done, apply for the job. Always prefer to apply for more than one job. So search for another job related to your field and apply for it by the same process. You should give time to your Upwork account daily. Also, you can save a job if you want to apply later. Go through every detail of a job before applying so you can know better about the job and client. Click on View Job Posting and you will be taken to this page. Scroll down and see complete details. If you find this job interesting, go ahead and apply for it. Now scroll down and fill in complete details, including the rates, and schedule a rate increase. Then add cover letter and attachments. You can also add profile highlights by adding a portfolio project and certificates. Once you are all done, click on the Send button at the bottom. Now let us see some of the best profiles for lead generation on Upwork. These are some of the best freelancers working on Upwork for lead generation. As you can see, they have earned a good amount of money by selling their skills. You can also see their charges per hour and success rate. You should go through their profiles in detail to see how you can set your profiles. See all the information they have added and try to create a similar profile for yourself. By following these steps, you can successfully use Upwork for lead generation. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.